heaven. Darkness. Darkness. And her skin is so china-eyed.
China-eyed? What is your plan?
That's not even for us.
Listen, go with the bus there. Yes, well, you're trying to shut this case. Would you take the mid-sized one?
The mid-sized pink one.
Look at this, dear. Do you have all this for your fellas?
You're rude.